Pre, pag nakasahod tayo, bili tayo ng Red Horse. Sige pre, magtagay tayo. Okay. Ikaw pa rin tatang, sama ka? Tayo lang muna, kasi kailangan ng ko yung pera. Ikaw, basta kami, mag-good time kami.
Okay, class, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, you may now take your seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, class. So tomorrow, we will having our outing at Mabinay Spring.
Di ba ang ganda dun?
Mom, can I bring my girlfriend?
Like, duh, my girlfriend ka pala. Quiet, class. Okay, now let's talk about our contribution. Any suggestion for our contribution?
Ma'am, 500 pesos. 500 lang? Hindi kaya kukulangin yan?
Ma'am, what is 2,000 na lang?
Exactly.
Ma'am, pwede 100 na lang? Okay, class, let's vote. Whose favor for 100? How about 500 pesos? How about 2,000 pesos? So our contribution is 2,000 pesos and our deadline is this afternoon. Thank you and goodbye.
Teka lang, bakit 100 pesos lang ang sinabi mo kanina? Mahirap ba kayo?
Hindi, joke lang yun. Baka kulangin yung 2,000 eh. Mayroon naman talaga kami.
Mga classmates, sa akin na bigay 2,000 pesos, sabi ni ma'am.
Okay lang ba bank transfer?
Hello pa?
Hello anak,
Kailangan ko ng 5K ngayon. Ngayon din.
talaga ba? Sige, bibigyan kita kapag nakasahod na ako.
Guys, my mommy gave me 500 pesos for today. My baon.
What? 500 pesos? For a day? Are you sure with that? Ganyan na ba kayo kahirap?
Guys, my parents buy my new phone, iPhone 17 Pro Max, fully paid.
Really?
And guys, my parents told me that we will having a vacation next week at US.
How about you?
Me? My father is a CEO and also my mother is nurse. Wow! Mayayaman talaga tayong lahat.
You know what, guys? I'm so excited. Friends?
Right.
It's another fiery afternoon, hotter than the month of June. So we should go beach now. Cool down where the water's right, yeah. Let's grab our boards and run, 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 run to the nearest shore. School is proud, let's go now and hell it out the door. Yeah, the waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, that I want to hit the spot.
Guys, huwag malikot. Mag-enjoy kayo dyan.
Tang! Tang! Tulong! Tulong! Hello, Junlin. Kailangan mong umuwi. May nangyaring masama sa iyong ama.
Ano? Sige, pupunta na ako dyan.